kindly join for the exclusive movement. Please give a huge round of applause.
Good evening, everybody. I congratulate Sri Vasu Prakash Garu on this wonderful occasion, and Sri Srinivas K. Rao and Padmavati Anapati for compiling such a wonderful book. What is the inspiration for all of you? Scientists greater than Einstein is the first book. What should be the next book? Sri Prakashites greater than Einstein. Can we have that? Whole of Vizag is waiting for that. I want at least one of you, two of you, three of you, your parents to come out with the book. At least one scientist from Sri Prakash. That is what I'm praying to God, that Vizag should have the blessing that at some point in time, in the next 10 or 15 years, we should have at least one or two of you who are scientists, who are greater than Einstein and greater than these 10 scientists. That is my wish and blessings for all of you. Have a wonderful evening and wish you all best of luck.
Thank you. Please take your seats. Now, may I request Dr. G. Surya Prakash Garu to address us all on this occasion.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody. Narasimha Rao Garu, since you introduced me to your schools have been with me wherever I traveled, whatever I read, whatever I saw. Therefore, we did a few things, and today we are here with a book that is going to inspire your students and students around here. Respected elders, friends, and children, there are 4 revolutions in modern science so far. The first one is steam engine in engineering. The second one, benzene molecule in chemistry. The third one, recombinant insulin in biotechnology. And the latest one, computers. All these did not happen in India. I think the next revolution in science will be making man free from hunger, malnutrition, and disease. And it should happen in India. As Mr. Naresh of Symbiosis said, if that has to happen, we have to have plenty of scientists. This is a big challenge. It needs plenty of scientists from today onwards. We have to prepare them. Therefore, we worked on this book. We have to make the challenge in such a way that it would remove hunger and malnutrition not only in India, all over the world. Scientists have successfully removed several viral infections, some diseases so far. So we can do it. We can remove hunger and malnutrition diseases. But how? We have to experiment first to inspire the young minds to become scientists. With that motto in mind, we need a lab to do it. At the International Science Congress organized by Sri Prakash Vidya Niketan recently, the air was full of positive energy. I felt that Sri Prakash Vidya Niketan is the right place for all the experiments one can do about inspiring children to reach heights. Therefore, Sri Prakash Vidya Niketan is the lab for that experiment to inspire young minds to meet challenges. So the first experiment is to introduce this book, Scientists Greater Than Einstein. When I proposed this to Sri Vasu Prakash, your director, he agreed with full enthusiasm. The Indian edition of the American book is prepared for you by Mrs. Padmavati Anaparthi and me with the help of another 27 people in 6 weeks for your annual day today. But why this book? When I was in school, like you, or today, I was inspired by people around me, from my mother, uncles, and well-wishers, like an RMP doctor, Chandurti Narayan Rao, English teacher, Balamudi Narayan Rao. Later, Professor Janaki Rao, my uncle, was like a lighthouse for me in navigating myself in higher education. Professor Raman inspired me to pursue science. So I did not join the railway job at hand, nor tried for any other job. Dr. P.M. Bhargava and a few other professors, scientists I met in Hyderabad, Paris, New York, helped me to stay in science. Even though IT boom was attractive to make more money easily. You are what you read. Here in this book, we are able to get you 10 scientists greater than Einstein to inspire you. The book presents 10 scientists who changed the world. They literally defeated death for over 1 billion people. This book is truly international in scope. This book shows that science can occur not only in sterile labs but also in villages. This book also shows how science can be developed in real world for real people. It recorded the landmark discoveries in human health. It celebrates those who have saved most lives in history. It introduces 10 great inspiring scientists to you. Read the book. Get inspired. Save lives across the globe. But before you do that, you have to buy the book. Vasu Prakash Garu and Sri Prakash have decided that a part of the book proceedings would go to establish wonderful science institute in Visakhapatnam. So please, all of you, we request to buy the book. We made this book available for 100 rupees. We can challenge any American book that you cannot get in $2. This book is sold for $25 elsewhere. So, I request all of you to pay attention to this book. Also, one more mention. We gave this book to Dr. B.S.R. Murthy. Dr. B.S.R. Murthy is a doctor from Gajapati Nagaram whom I met in 2001. And since then, I have been observing. Every time I read about a scientist here, he was in front of my eyes. If at all there is someone here around, it is Dr. B.S.R. Murthy, who must have touched 1 million patients served 1 million patients already. I request him to review this book and make some very inspiring speech in person to all Sri Prakashites. మీరందరూ ఈ పుస్తకం కొనాలి, చదవాలి, మీ పిల్లల్ని, మీ చుట్టుపక్క వాళ్ళని ఉత్తేజపరిచి వాళ్ళని ఏదో విధంగా అయినా మనిషికి కావాల్సిన టెక్నాలజీస్ని డెవలప్ చేసే శాస్త్రవేత్తలుగా చేయండి. శాస్త్రవేత్త అంటే ఇంజనీర్ అవ్వకూడదు, డాక్టర్ అవ్వకూడదని ఏం లేదు, ఎవరైనా కావచ్చు. ఏది చేసినా ఒక పద్ధతి ప్రకారం చేస్తే అదే శాస్త్రవేత్త చేయడం అవుతుంది. మీ పిల్లల్ని అలా పెంచండి, దానికి ఈ పుస్తకాన్ని కొని చదివింపించండి. ఆల్సో we have an incentive for the children. Indian Institute of Biotechnology will give 10,000 rupees awards for children for participating in number 1, selling the book. The one who sells the highest will get a reward. Number 2, those students who participate, sell, write their experience of selling, they will get an award. Number 3, those students who read the book and write about the book will also get an award. All these awards put together will be 10,000 rupees worth in rupees. Please take this opportunity to make your children, your neighbors, your friends, families, everyone understand how these scientists worked. I must congratulate Vasu Prakash and his team of teachers for organizing such a wonderful thing through this book. I can tell you, no one in United States also did this kind of project. Mr. Billy Woodward, who the first author of this one, is known to me quite well, and they were all excited. They all know about today's Sri Prakash Vidyaniketan event. So please, let us do a good experiment in first getting the book to people. 10,000 copies will be printed for this purpose. And please make use of this. I thank everybody for giving me this opportunity.